Oh me, oh my, oh you, whatever shall I do? Hallelujah, the question is peculiar. I'd give a lot of dough if I could only know the answer to my question. Is it yes or is it no? Does your chewing gum lose its flavor on the bedpost overnight? If your mother says don't chew it, do you swallow it in spite? Can you catch it on your tonsils? Can you heave it left and right? Does your chewing gum lose its flavor on the bedpost overnight? The nations rise as one to send their honored son to the White House, the nation's only White House, to voice their discontent unto the president upon the burning question that has swept this continent. The question is, how do you drive a baby buggy?
I don't know. How do you drive a baby buggy?
You tickle its feet.
Does your chewing gum lose its flavor on the bedpost overnight? If you pull it out like rubber, will it snap right back and fight? If you paste it on the left side, will you find it on the right? Does your chewing gum lose its flavor on the bedpost overnight? On the bedpost overnight.
I told you that I love you and I want to hold you tight. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday night.
On the bedpost overnight.
A dollar and a dime is a dime.
He'd sing another chorus, but he hadn't got the time.
On the bedpost overnight.